now.
Salut mes amis, Jenny here from harmonyandelevation.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about hair. I had these braids in for about a month and I'm ready to take them down. So I'm going to show you how I moisturize my hair, how I get the moisture back in using aloe vera and these oils right here. Jem Naturelles fertilizing growth oil, as well as Jem Naturelles 100% Black Haitian Castor oil. So I'm going to combine the aloe vera treatment with a hot oil treatment using one or both of these oils. And I'll show you how I get the moisture back in my hair. Because these braids were in for about a month. And I do this every time I take down the style. Aloe vera is a very good moisturizing treatment for the hair. It is full of vitamins, essential amino acids, and minerals such as copper and zinc, which are very important for hair growth. I use it as a pre-poo right before I wash my hair because aloe vera's natural enzymes destroy the excessive dead skin cells and fungus that can lead to dandruff. It promotes hair growth too, and it prevents itching of the scalp. So it balances the scalp pH level, leaving your hair super moisturized. So I'm going to make this gel. I mean, I could use the plant too, but I won't. I'm just going to blend everything together so it'll be easier. Okay, I have my aloe vera plant. I got two. I have a blender here, some water, and okay, I have this foil on the counter just to make cleanup easier. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna let's cut it like this first. Cut. So I can get rid of the sharp edges. I may not use all of it, but I can always store the gel for something else. So, cut. I'm just going to blend it. We're going to do the same thing with all of these, all the pieces. All the pieces. Cut the sharp edge off. If you guys hear any noise in the background, that's my kids. They're home playing in their room, so they're being wild. Quarantine life. Okay. Okay, so we're doing a couple more pieces and then we're going to blend. Okay, so that's all my gel, my aloe vera pieces in there, and I will add some water. Not much, just a little bit. Blend it. Okay. So aloe vera is blended. I have this stocking here for that purpose. I don't use it for nothing else. Just for so I could strain all the pulp because you don't want them trapped in your hair. Trust me. You don't want all them white stuff in your hair. They will be there for a while. I'm going to strain it nice and gooey. Yeah, and I have a spray bottle here too. That's what I'm going to pour my gel into. Okay. got gel. Strain it. Okay. See that? All that is pulp. You don't want them things in your hair, so trust me when I tell you, you want to strain this aloe vera gel. Okay, I think I have enough gel. Alright. Yep. Nice and gooey. Okay, so now I've got this. I've got this easy pour container, but if you don't have that, you may need to use a funnel, but this will pour directly into the bottle quite easy. So, yeah, see? And that is what I need for my treatment. Okay, so I'm back and I've got my braids out. I'm going to just show you how I do part of my hair. And I got my oil in here. It's a little warm. And then there's my aloe vera gel. So let's get started. I don't want this video to be super long. Okay, so I'm going to just quickly, I've got a lot of shrinkage going on. Let's see, get that out the way. Okay, so spray with the gel. Ooh, it's messy, guys, so it's gonna be, don't wear no good clothes. Wear something that you don't mind getting messed up. So I'll just put it in my hand instead. Wet it. I try to detangle at the same time. Detangle my hair. Finger detangle. Get closer so you could see. And I've got some shedding, but that's expected because I just took down some braids. So I don't do it super wet. I just do it enough to be able to run my finger through it. And I got some oil. This is the oil. Just put it on top of that gel on your hair and keep going like that. So it's the gel, then the oil, and I detangle. Start from the ends and work your way up to the roots. That's how you detangle your hair. So don't say I didn't show you. Like that. And smooth it a little bit, and then I just do a two strand twist. And I do this to my whole head. Apply the gel and oil, detangle, and then I'm gonna show you what I do once I'm done. I mean, I can't stand here and show you my entire head. That'll take a good 30 minutes. So I do this. Okay, so it's all done. I've got the aloe vera, I've got the oil, so now I'm gonna put a plastic cap over my head and let it sit for about maybe an hour or two or more, depends on you. Sometimes I even sleep with this in my hair and wash it out the next day, but I don't have that kind of time today, so I'm just gonna leave it in for about an hour or two and do this. Okay, and leave it, and once that, after an hour or so, I'll shampoo, condition as usual, and then I'll style it. Okay, hair is freshly washed and conditioned. I'm just going to add some product and then I'm going to twist it. So this is not a hair tutorial, I'm just basically showing you guys how I use aloe vera to moisturize my hair after feeling lazy. So Nana's braiding it for me, well, twisting it. I'm just gonna wear it like that for about 2 weeks and then I'll decide what I want to do with my hair.